Few more sentences we are going to practice. Some people dress their children very badly. Some people dress their children very badly. So some passive होगा, some children are very badly dressed. Some children are very badly dressed. No one has ever beaten him at tennis. He has never been beaten at tennis. He has never been beaten at tennis. People often take him for his brother. He is often taken for his brother. He is often taken for his brother. He likes people to call him sir. Last sentence है, he likes people to call him sir. He likes to be called sir. Only this much. मैं आपको एक इम्पॉर्टेंट टिप और देना चाहूँगा. Always, never, often, ये not, ये कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे हैं जो हमेशा सेंटेंस के थर्ड पोजीशन पर है. स्टार्टिंग से तीसरा वर्ड इनको ही रखा जाता है. ये भी एक ग्रामेटिकल रूल है और इसको आपको ध्यान देना चाहिए. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye. Krishna Soni, online digital coach. Please follow, like, share, and I am providing paid courses for students also. स्टूडेंट्स जो क्लास 9 से 12 के बीच के बेसिक ग्रामर के लिए एक कंपोज्ड हमारे पास एक है. आप पेड कोर्सेज के लिए भी हमारे साथ आ सकते हैं. थैंक यू. बाय.